Rats and mice are destructive and disease-spreading pests that can invade homes in search of food and shelter. When infested, you'll need to employ a rodent control plan to ensure your problem is eliminated as soon as possible. The best rodent control plans include a wide variety of products, including rat or mouse poison, or rodenticides, typically in the form of bait. So, in this video, we'll go over information regarding rodenticide baits and how to use them to eliminate a rat or mouse infestation. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about rodent control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. Rodenticides are pesticides used to kill rodents like rats or mice. Depending on the manufacturer, rodenticides can be referred to as rat poison or mouse poison. There are three types of rodenticide: fumigants, tracking powders, and baits. Just as a reminder, this video will focus on baits and how to use them. Rodent baits are usually classified as anticoagulants or non-anticoagulants. This classification informs the homeowner or professional of the product's blood clotting capabilities. First-generation anticoagulant rodenticides, or FGARs, act as blood thinners. Rodents must consume a lethal amount over multiple feedings, then they'll die of internal bleeding later on. The benefit of using an FGAR is that it helps to prevent bait shyness, allowing a majority of the population to eat the bait and then perish. Second-generation anticoagulant rodenticides, or SGARs, are similar to FGARs in that they also cause internal bleeding. SGARs, however, have a higher concentration of their active ingredient and are therefore more lethal in a single feeding. You'll typically use an SGAR when an infestation becomes resistant to FGARs. While second-generation rodenticides are more powerful, the stronger concentration of product means the poison is more likely to stay active in a dead rodent, risking exposure to scavenging wildlife or pets. Non-anticoagulant rodenticides, or NARs, are different from FGARs and SGARs in that they target different organs in the rodent through one or multiple doses. NARs heavily rely on pre-baiting in order to work. With different products come a wide variety of active ingredients. As a homeowner or a professional, it's important you read your product's label to take note of its active ingredient and concentration. This way, you're able to keep track of what products work for you and which don't. When one product doesn't work, you can try a different product with a higher concentration or one with a different active ingredient altogether. In this section, we'll go over some common active ingredients used in baits. For more active ingredients, don't forget to check out the full article on our website. Diphacinone is an FGAR, an anticoagulant that works by reducing vitamin K levels in the blood, eventually causing internal bleeding. When a rodent consumes enough of this ingredient over multiple feedings, it can take 3 to 10 days for it to die. Bromadiolone is an SGAR that is a strong and long-acting 4-hydroxycoumarin anticoagulant. It's very potent, so when rodents consume baits made with this active ingredient, they'll die within 24 hours. Finally, strychnine is an NAR that is readily absorbed into the central nervous system, causing violent muscular convulsions. Convulsions occur 15 to 20 minutes of bait consumption, followed up by death with impaired breathing. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves in order to keep your human scent off any products. For most rat or mouse infestations, we recommend you use a first-generation rodenticide to eliminate your rodents with the least risk of secondary poisoning to other animals. Check out Eratication rodent bait. Eratication is a synthetic bait made with 0.005% diphacinone and rodent attractants. We recommend you use this bait with the Solutions Rat and Mouse Bait Station. Load a station with up to 4 eradication blocks and set the station flush against the exteriors of structures on your property, close to where you've seen rodent activity. We recommend you set up multiple stations 20 to 40 feet apart. Once a day, check the inside of the station to replace any eradication rodent bait and clean out any deceased rodents. In addition to baits, you'll need to use other rodent control products if you want to get full control of your infestation. We also recommend you set up products like easy set snap traps and professional glue boards. By casting a wide net, we can expect to eliminate the highest number of rodents at once, gaining control over the infestation as soon as possible. Rats and mice are destructive and filthy pests to invade your property, but with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop rodents from infesting, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.